how to enable or disable developer options in your OnePlus phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. After that, scroll all the way down, then go to about device. From here, scroll down again, then go to version option. Now at the top you can see version number option. You have to just tap on 7 times on version number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and then draw your pin or pattern, and that's it. Now you are a developer, so just go back. After that, just go to system and update, and that's it. Here you can see developer options, just open it and here it is. Now from here you can customize any kind of settings as you want. If you want to disable it, just tap here and then go back, and it's disabled successfully. And that is how you can enable or disable developer options in your OnePlus phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.